The Ouyulong wireless wall sconces set combines a clean black metal frame with a soft fabric shade, giving bedrooms and living areas a polished modern look without feeling harsh. Because the sconces use rechargeable bulbs with a high-capacity battery, they can run for many hours between charges and even serve as dependable lighting during power outages. Installation is straightforward since the lights are fully wireless, relying on a simple screw-mounted plate rather than any electrical wiring or wall outlet nearby. The included RGB bulb offers a wide range of colors, several white color temperatures, and multiple brightness levels, so you can fine-tune the atmosphere from cozy evening light to bright task lighting. A paired remote control makes it easy to adjust color, brightness, and timer settings from across the room, and the memory function brings back your last used mode when you switch the lights on again. The set comes with all of the necessary hardware, charging cables, and accessories, making it a complete package for anyone wanting versatile wall lighting without calling an electrician.